cabinet ministers, senior bureaucrats and experts in all these areas. Following which we are now currently on the state tour. The course has been divided into 5 groups, our group being at Andhra Pradesh. The other 4 groups are at Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Orissa.
Your Excellency, I am Major General Manoj Kumar, the delegation leader. I am part of the faculty at the National Defence College, posted as Senior Directing Staff, Army. I have 36 years of service and have served in almost all terrains all these years, and I have been with the National Defence College for 1 year on this instructional assignment.
Good morning, sir. I am Amandeep Chattha. I am from the Indian Alternate Account Service, 1992 batch, and before I represent the civil services. And before joining the course, I was posted at CAG's office in Delhi as Director General of Audit. Thank you, sir.
I am Captain Mangal Kakkat. I was commissioned in 1989. I am a directing staff of Research and Referral Section in NDC, and I look after their academics. Thank you.
To my state of Andhra Pradesh, popularly known as Sunrise State, which has been consistently ranked number 1 in the ease of doing business in industrial promotion. Andhra Pradesh has the longest eastern coastline with the abundant natural resources and is a land of world-renowned temples and monuments with rich cultural and traditional history dating back to Buddhist period. I am very sure that our visit to the state would be an enriching learning experience. I have been briefed that the members present here are undergoing the 11 months long unique course on national security and strategic studies at the National Defence College, New Delhi, which is held every year from January to November. I am happy to know that the group of 20 members visiting Andhra Pradesh is part of the 107 members undergoing the 61st course at NDC, consisting of officers from Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Coast Guard, Indian Audit and Accounts Service, including 6 officers from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan, led by Major General Manoj Kumar, SM of Indian Army, faculty of the NDC. The National Defence College, popularly known as NDC, founded in 1960 in New Delhi in India's Apex Institute to learning for the study and practice of national security and strategy. Over the years, NDC has earned a reputation for excellence and gained worldwide recognition. The study at the college is dedicated to the imparting knowledge on strategic, economic, scientific, political and industrial aspects of national defense for the select senior officers of the armed forces, civil government services of India and from foreign countries holding higher leadership position and responsibilities. I am happy to learn that since its inception, the college has trained 3,999 officers, and in the last 60 years, members from 69 countries have also participated in the course at the NDC. I wish you all a fruitful visit to Andhra Pradesh and hope you will carry good memories of your visit to the state. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Delegation, I will now deliver the vote of thanks. So I take this opportunity to thank you for giving us this chance for interaction and your address to us despite your busy schedule. We must place on record our appreciation for the exemplary performance. To visit will give us a new perspective on how the administration is functioning in Andhra Pradesh and will help us to derive the required lessons. Thank you very much, sir.